Manja police seizes drugs 20 lakhs worth. DVJS burns effigies of Chief Minister and Irrigation Minister. Karbi Anglong Live visits Khanduli State Dispensary. Good morning viewers and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. Despite several seizures and arrests in the recent times, notorious smuggling of drugs still continues along the NH36 road in Karbi Anglong. The road, being a connecting link of Assam with states like Nagaland and Manipur, is seen by smugglers as an easy route for supplying their items. However, the local police have been able to successfully foiling the plans of these smugglers. Acting on a tip-off, a special checkpoint was set up by Manja police at around 2:30 p.m. on Thursday. While checking an impulse to Guwahati-bound truck, the Manja police station personnel found 25 soap boxes containing total 300 grams of suspected brown sugar. 37 years old driver of the truck, Alam Mia, son of MD Samsul Haq of Sokir Bhita village under Koya Kuchi police station of Barbeta, had been taken into custody by the police for further interrogation into the matter. The whole operation was supervised by DSP headquarters Nahid Karishma. A case bearing the number 40/20 U/S 21C 22C/29 NDPS Act had been registered at Manja police station. Police are taking up follow action after the interrogation of the apprehended person. They are committed at breaking the whole chain of drug smuggling in Assam and are trying to nab the forward and backward linkages. NewsX report, Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Anglong District Committee of the Durniti Virodhi Juva Shakti had on Wednesday burned effigies of Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal and Irrigation Minister Bhobesh Kalita over their failure of curbing corruption in the state. The effigies of State Chief Minister and Irrigation Minister were burned by the organization in front of the Bokajan CCI factory along the Asian Highway No. 1 at around 6 p.m. in protest of the alleged paper leak scam. The organization attacked CM Sarbananda Sonowal, stating that the current BJP government at the state had completely failed in curbing the massive corruption at the state level. The organization president Chitra Barua and secretary Pankaj De charged that the paper leak scam in the state has proven to the people that BJP are at fault and that CM Sonowal is not fit to lead the government. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. With political activities gaining momentum across the district, over 32 persons from various political parties joined the Congress during its meeting held at Habe Crow polling station. The Phuloni Mandal Congress Committee meeting held on Thursday afternoon was presided over by Habe Crow polling station PCC President Mongol Singh Ingti and was attended by KADCC General Secretaries Sanjit Daron and Chandra Tamang, KADYCC General Secretary Harmon Ingti, Langsomipi Block Congress President Michael Bay and Havarkehat Block Congress President Jirhon Hansei, along with the Phuloni Mandal Congress Committee leaders among others. The party gave a warm welcome to the newly joined members belonging to the BJP, ASTC and APHLC. While speaking at the meeting, Phuloni Youth Congress Secretary Phensing Teron claimed that MAC Dorsing Ronghang was distributing the land patas which do not have its record at the office. Meanwhile, Havarkehat Block Congress President Jirhon Hansei during his speech attacked the APHLC president, stating that Jai Qatar is campaigning in the name of the Sikh Cedal with the only aim of securing MLA ticket from the BJP party.
Secretary, member of the country, the foreign member of President Penchenglo, President, Vice President, then Secretary, member Pudwan, then the Pini.
Pini nilitum nadak habekro PCC angkang ni dak standard meeting bipon nilo. Naso PCC tol mane mondol pen PCC tol sikit thik do. Jadi nilitum ni cap bak dolo nilitum PCC tol ki humri pini PCC la habekro PCC pini la soarni si pini tarik lo. Asi pini amai long bangke ahok lo penangan BJP APSLC la pen ASDC pen itun Kongres la onskau dum penangan dolo.
বিজেপি দলে যোগদান দিছে তেখেতসকলকো মই সকলোকে একেলগে কাম কৰি যাম বুলি আশা ৰাখি মই ইমানতে আজি বক্তব্যটো সামৰণি মাৰিলো কাৰ্ডন।
On the other hand, Chief Guest Sanjeev Tiron said that if voted to power, the Congress would provide BPL card under Sanjeev Gandhi Nyay scheme, rupees 7,500 to poor women and free PMAYG houses to the poor families without partiality, unlike the BJP where many poor people have been deprived of government's assistance. Dirjuna Rongki's report from Phuloni, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break. Humridam ikha. Dipu rong supialong kicheng sik mate non hedjong kangpumi the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers akuladalong nanglitum anam ki jumpen blanket mate kachiomapik kachin thanga peri osomar aperi karbia pindeng peseleng pini pekok lapen kaprek aperi kechogabar sai long ikji lapenang litum jongsi akula ralong kedam japhan apor duredat pusitami matha ikri bangso akula ralong pen kethon ke banabar sai setami long inchi lasi humri damikha the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers along adim lake dipu ronghelan Don Bosco Higher Secondary School adu. Welcome back after the break. With the aim of promoting border areas of West Karbi Anglong District as tourist attraction, the Karbi Students Association Hamren District Unit visited Thai Apsir waterfall to assess the natural beauty and its potential to turn it into a tourist attraction. The Hamren District KSA Regional Committee team, which visited the spot, also held its annual get-together meet and was led by KSA Hamren Regional Committee President Probin Timong and Secretary Babul Togbi, and was attended by KSA Central Committee General Secretary Thangsing Timong and Organizing Secretary in charge George Timong, among others. While speaking to media after the meeting, the KSA Committee General Secretary Thangsing Timong stated that West Karbi Anglong is gifted with many scenic beauty and made appeal upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for its full development and utilization for the economic benefit and development of the people of the hill districts.
Pini Hamren Regional Committee and Patir Tipon get together. Litum Central Committee executive members really litum krem asong jat tatang ito dino. Kasi pini labangso get together amay litum dak West Karbi Anglong Thai Apsir pusi at picnic spot of sintum dak patipon do. Litum labangso at Thai Apsir waterfall nang ni Rockpen. Karbi Anglong, especially West Karbi Anglong, Araji Apolon, Lapon kilang may pupili tundang ng Rockpen case nino.
Wiki-based report from Tumpreng for Karbi Anglong Live. Khandali is located in West Karbi Anglong District along the district border with Meghalaya State. In order to let the viewers know about the healthcare facility in the area, Karbi Anglong Live made a visit to the Khandali State Dispensary. Here is a report of our correspondent. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council built the Khandali State Dispensary to provide easy and accessible healthcare facilities to the people living along the Karbi Anglong Meghalaya border area. But the question is, are the people really getting the proper healthcare facility? And if they're not getting it, then what is the cause? To seek these answers, our Karbi Anglong Live correspondent paid a visit to the healthcare center.
Pinilidak Karbi Anglong Live akhirang kehin pen adak Karbi Anglong mata Assam labangso Khanduli State Dispensary lamani li nang humri ko nasiladat muni tum nang humri pen dak se gacela ngatum doma rima setana nang utum nang nu sedak teglong lo nasiladat kosona kisu ufi laganang utum chini po asi pinilidak na kahumri ka kenon dak doktora tunggu alam utum na lu tabe konsom na Kisum kadang dalam kami alam itu pas di ini akibat ko.
The staff of the dispensary say that people of Karbi Anglong are getting no help from it. Apart from that, they face many problems from the Meghalaya police at Langlongchor while moving to and fro to their workplace. They say that it would be better if the dispensary could be shifted to Langhempi.
Assam bila pahal suবিধা হয় Assam আপনার মেঘালয় গেট ছিল আমার আমার টেম্পোর আগত সিহঁতৰ মানে গেট থাকে যাৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ আহিব পৰা নাই হস্পিটেল গতিকে আমি অহা নহয় এতিয়া নিচিনা হৈ আছে মেঘালয়ৰ ফালৰ মানুহ আহে
Itu la kiban ke bankan bangker tengo ke posta dat transita ni bitung bang yo son chiman det lima Karbi Anglong sor ke dat sina silang la pen ilu tai ni va sita ba ke dat Meghalaya so to mang si bang chot ma dat ke ali du ide da son ni tu mane Karbi Anglong pen da hospital man to pala.
Locals have also said what the medical workers told and also added that the authority is still silent despite knowing the problems. Bir Singh Kisor's report from Langhempi, Karbi Anglong Live. BJP Yuva Morcha, the youth wing of the Saffron Party, held its first executive meeting at Bithung Rengthama Mandal Committee office at Tumprey. The meeting was presided over by BJYM West Karbi Anglong District Committee President Pritom Rongpi. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang attended the program as chief guest. In his speech, he said that present-day youth should come forward in politics since they are the leaders of tomorrow to build the nation. With this view in mind, the BJP had given attention towards bringing in more youths to the party through various platforms including the Yuva Morcha. He also said that BJP is the only party which gives the opportunity to the youths in leading the nation. The CEM also talked about the making of two-lane route inside West Karbi Anglong. Along with other speakers, the CEM have alleged that other political parties in the district are trying to disillusion the youths with lies and treachery. So he urged the youths to be aware of the right thing all the time.
এজেন্ডা আছে কাৰ্যসূচী আছে এই কাৰ্যসূচী ৰূপায়ণ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে প্ৰত্যেক ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট অল আছাম অকল ইয়াত কাৰ্বি আংলং নহয় অল আছামতে মিটিং কৰিছে আৰু দলৰ যিবিলাকৰ দায়িত্ব থকা তেওঁলোকক মতা হৈছে আজি আৰু দলৰ সম্পৰ্কে আলাপ আলোচনা কৰি আগন্তুক ইলেকশ্যন আহি আছে এই এছেম্বলি ইলেকশ্যনত ভাৰতীয় জনতা পাৰ্টীৰ চাৰিটা চিটত জিকা স্বাৰ্থত এই গোটেইখিনি আলোচনা কৰা হৈছে।
The meeting was also attended by local MLA Dr. Mansingh Rongpi, BJP WKAD President Radip Ronghang, KAAC EMs including Rup Singh Teron, Mongol Singh Timong, MAC Rina Terangpi, State Yuva Morcha Secretary John Jyoti Keshav, and several members of the Yuva Morcha from various places under West Karbi Anglong. Vicky Bay reports from Satgang for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.